So I heard that the free field exams offered by the SPFA are real scary. But coming from some members of the marketing committee at the SPFA, that if you install foam on a daily basis, it's really not that scary, not a big deal. Just want to throw that out there. But what are the reasons why a contractor should take advantage of these free field exams? The first thing is it'll elevate your status. Getting the certification shows that you know how to install foam the correct way, which if you're going head to head with another contractor on a bid, you're certified and they aren't, you're probably going to win the bid. So it just helps you, it just shows that you are trustworthy and know how to spray good foam. The next thing is, I think I saw on the website, it's not 900, it's not 700, but it's completely free. Everyone loves free stuff. So another reason to take advantage of it. And the last thing is, I think it's a morale boost for your employees. It shows your employees that you're investing in them. You're helping them do what they love to do even better, become better at it. And when an employee hears that, they want to stay with the company that invests in them. It's great. We know how hard it is to, get employees and keep employees, but investing in them and giving them the free training and help them do what they like to do better is definitely a win for you too. So just wanted to quickly go through this today. Please consider doing the free field exams, and thank you so much. I'll see you next time.